How to update KYC in Binance. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update KYC in Binance. If your identity information has changed, you can update your KYC details on Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Identity Verification Update page. Then, select the reason for the update, such as expired documents, changes in your name, ID number, nationality, or updating documents to meet specific requirements. Read the declaration carefully. Check the box to confirm you understand and agree, and then click Confirm Update. Next, enter the updated information and click Continue. Alternatively, if you need assistance, you can contact Binance support. Enter how to update identity verification in the chat and click on the link provided to reset KYC. Ensure the documents you provide are in a system-recognizable language, such as an English language passport if your ID card is in a local language. Note that you cannot transfer your account to another person or use someone else's ID. After submitting your update, wait for the system to process your request. You will receive an email notification once the update is complete. If you encounter issues or cannot proceed, reach out to Binance support for further assistance. For additional details on verifying your Binance account, refer to the guide on completing identity verification. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.